Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Chapter 1.1 The Wit That Won Hearts. Women in Indian science. In a world where women's potential in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, is being recognized beyond doubt, India has seen its share of trailblazers who paved the way. Today, the women behind ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission and Chandrayaan-3 are celebrated for their brilliance and achievements. However, the foundation was laid by early pioneers like Bibha Chaudhary, India's first woman physicist, who carved a path in the male-dominated field of physics. At a time when Indian women struggled to seek knowledge and equitable access to education, Bibha Chaudhary emerged as a rare beam of light, a woman who defied the odds and lit a path for others to follow. Born in 1913 in Kolkata, in an India that still followed the traditional path, Bibha's story was anything but ordinary. She was a scientist who rose not only against the societal expectations of women but also amidst the towering giants of science. Men whose names the world would come to celebrate, while hers was whispered only in the halls of those who recognized her brilliance. Bibha's persistence eventually earned her a place at the Bose Institute. She had already begun to chip away at the walls of exclusion, becoming the first Indian woman to excel in high-energy particle physics. Breaking boundaries, in 1945, Bibha's academic journey took her to the University of Manchester. Under the guidance of the celebrated Nobel laureate, Patrick M.S. Blackett, she delved deeper into the field of cosmic rays. Her Ph.D. thesis on cosmic rays earned local recognition, with newspapers introducing her as India's new woman scientist. She has an eye for cosmic rays. This title reflected the awe she inspired in a world still skeptical of her capabilities. In an era marked by towering scientific discoveries, Bibha was often on the cusp of greatness but remained in the shadows of her male counterparts. Her most notable contribution was the discovery of pi mesons, a subatomic particle. Her nomination for a Nobel Prize in 1950 by Erwin Schrödinger, though unsuccessful, reflected her remarkable talent. Her life, full of challenges and struggles, was marked by an uphill battle to be heard and seen in the field of science. Chaudhary never received any awards during her lifetime, but continued her work tirelessly. In 1949, upon her return to India, she became the first woman faculty member at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, personally selected by Homi J. Bhabha. Chaudhary's contributions spanned across research institutes like the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad and the Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics in Kolkata. This is where she continued her work on cosmic rays and subatomic particles. Through decades of crucial research, from Kolar gold mines to the Physical Research Laboratory under the mentorship of Vikram Sarabhai, Bibha's work went on quietly, as she remained in the periphery of Indian scientific acclaim. She passed away in 1991, her story untold, her name largely forgotten. The legacy of Bibha Chaudhary and today's women in Indian science, the stars are not meant to remain hidden forever. In In 2019, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) honored her legacy by renaming a star in the constellation Leo, HD 86081, as Bibha, meaning beam of light. Fittingly, she is now a star in heaven, a symbol of the light she brought to Indian science. A fitting tribute to a woman whose life was a radiant example of tenacity, brilliance, and quiet determination. In 2020, the Government of India declared a chair professorship in her name. Fast forward to the present day, and the advancements made by women in Indian science reflect Chaudhary's pioneering spirit and the progress she helped ignite. Women in ISRO, for instance, are no longer participants but leaders in missions that make global headlines. One such luminary is Dr. Ritu Karidhal Srivastav, popularly referred to as the Rocket Woman of India. Her pivotal role in ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission and subsequent leadership in Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3 reflect the leaps women have made in STEM in India. Over 50 women contributed to Chandrayaan-3, and their success is built upon the shoulders of pioneers like Bibha Chaudhary. Their roles in developing autonomous systems for spacecraft and managing mission-critical operations highlight the capabilities of women in pushing India's space program forward. From shadows to the stars, the journey from Bibha Chaudhary's era to today's women scientists has been long and arduous, but it is also inspiring. The struggles Chaudhary faced are a stark reminder of how far we've come and how much further we have to go. But with every cosmic achievement, be it landing on the moon or reaching Mars, these women prove that the journey is well worth it. Bibha Chaudhary's legacy lives on. Her story continues to inspire young women to pursue their passions, break barriers, and leave their mark on the world. Whether exploring cosmic rays or sending rockets to Mars, India's women scientists are writing the next chapter in a story that Bibha Chaudhary helped begin. As the stars of Indian science shine brighter, Bibha Chaudhary, the beacon of light, will always guide the way. Thanks for watching.